Hey there, sexy seekers. It's Anna Diamond here, and welcome back to Getting Sexy Back. Are you ready to take charge of your health in a way that feels totally manageable and fun? If so, I have something extraordinary for you. Introducing my brand new book, Daily Dose of Health, 30 Days, 30 Challenges. Let's revolutionize your wellness journey one small, powerful step at a time. In just 30 days, you can build lasting habits that will transform your life. This book is bursting with simple, achievable daily challenges. Whether it's drinking more water, practicing mindfulness, or trying a new exercise, each day brings a fresh task designed to slip seamlessly into your busy routine, no drastic changes required. Why 30 days? Studies show it takes around 21 to 30 days to form a new habit. Instead of hitting you with huge changes, I've broken it down into bite-sized tasks that are super easy to incorporate. By the end of this month, whether you want to boost your energy, improve digestion, or simply feel fabulous, you'll have a solid foundation for ongoing wellness. Each chapter of Daily Dose of Health offers a clear overview of the day's challenge so you understand its importance, step-by-step guidance to make the challenge super easy to follow, a list of benefits to keep you motivated every step of the way, a reflection and progress tracker at the end of each day, allowing you to jot down how you felt and what you learned, keeping you accountable and aware of your growth. Curious about what kinds of challenges you'll tackle? Here are a few sneak peeks. Day 1. Hydration Challenge. Drink half your body weight in ounces of water. You'll be amazed at how energized you feel. Day 10. Mindful Eating. Take a moment to savor each bite. This simple act can improve digestion and enhance your enjoyment of food. Day 20. New Exercise. Try a fun workout like dancing or yoga to shake up your routine. These challenges are designed to fit effortlessly into your lifestyle so you can see real results without feeling overwhelmed. Are you ready to start your 30-day health journey with me? Let's build a healthier lifestyle together. Grab your copy of Daily Dose of Health. 30 days, 30 challenges, and begin transforming your well-being one small challenge at a time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more health tips and inspiration right here on Getting Sexy Back. Join our community, share your progress, and let's get sexy back together. Here's to your daily dose of health. Let's make these next 30 days a time of growth, joy, and transformation. Remember, small actions lead to big changes. I can't wait to see you thrive.